Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure your GPU and drivers are ready so you actually gain speed. Open After Effects and check preferences for GPU acceleration. Install the latest vendor drivers and restart. Next, set your project color depth and composition settings so GPU-accelerated effects can run. Enable hardware-accelerated decoding if available. Once done, test a short comp with motion blur and GPU effects to confirm the pipeline works before moving to heavy renders and full timelines. Now configure rendering. Add your comp to Render Q or Adobe Media Encoder and select an encoder that supports hardware acceleration. In Output module, pick a GPU-friendly codec like H.264 or HEVC and enable hardware encoding. This offloads encoding from CPU to GPU for big gains. Adjust composition resolution, turn on adaptive resolution, and lower preview scale to speed iterations. Also, limit cache and purge disk. Cache if RAM becomes full so processes avoid swapping, and maintain consistent frame rates. Finish by running a short test render to validate both quality and performance. Check for dropped frames and color shifts. If you encounter crashes or artifacts, disable individual GPU-accelerated effects to isolate the problem, update or roll back GPU drivers, and make sure your OS and After Effects are up to date. If RAM is the issue, reduce output resolution or split jobs. A key troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, purge caches and test with effects off to confirm whether GPU acceleration is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.